Hi, I'm Terry Morglione, Chief Experience Health and Safety Officer for WorldStrides. I've spent more than 3 decades helping to deliver learning experiences to students outside the classroom, and certainly this is a time like none other. The public health challenges presented by COVID-19 are serious and evolving, and we are committed to reimagining our experiences to fit these times. I'm proud of the work our team did to support the safe return home of students last spring and to reschedule so many experiences for the future. Like most things, the experiences we offer going forward will need to change to meet the challenges of the new world. Since April, we've had a task force meeting regularly to identify all the ways we will adjust for health and safety. We're lucky that we have always made a big investment in health and safety and have an experienced team and expert advisors to guide and support us. As I said, things are changing quickly, so we'll continue to update our protocols and plans accordingly. Right now, several things we're committed to doing on programs include providing masks and hand sanitizer for our staff and for you, to help you navigate requirements for face coverings and to keep hands clean during your program. Training. We've developed new training for our team members, and part of that includes having them share information with you through pre-departure or on-site briefings to help you navigate the experiences you'll have with us. Sickness protocols. We've worked closely with our medical director and our doctors on call partners at the George Washington University Department of Emergency Medicine to develop detailed plans for what we will do if a participant shows symptoms of COVID-19 while they are with us. And cleaning and hygiene. We're talking with the many partners we work with to deliver your program, and they have comprehensive plans for food preparation and extra cleaning of buses, hotels, and more. We have lots of different types of programs in lots of different places. We're evaluating each program individually, and we will only support them when we can make the right modifications for safety and support a rich experience for you. That's the focus of our task force, and our work is ongoing. Please stay safe and healthy. We can't wait to experience the world with you again soon.